Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Volkswagen Beetle in need for speed heat. First, understand that the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle is readily available for purchase within the game. You won't need to complete specific challenges or find hidden parts to unlock it. This means you can add this classic car to your garage quite early in your need for speed heat journey, allowing you to start customizing it right away. Just make sure you have enough in-game cash. To get your hands on the Volkswagen Beetle, simply head into your garage or visit any in-game dealership. Once there, you'll need to browse through the selection of available cars. Look for the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, which should be listed among the standard vehicles. Select it, confirm your purchase, and it will be added directly to your personal garage. It's a straightforward process, so you'll be driving it in no time. Once the Beetle is in your garage, the real fun begins with customization. Head to the Performance Parts menu. You can immediately start upgrading its components like tires, suspension, and brakes to improve handling and speed. Many players also opt for an engine swap early on, as this can drastically change the car's performance, transforming it from a humble classic into a powerful racing machine. There are many options to explore. For advanced customization, you can experiment with various builds, tailoring your Beetle for specific events like drag races, drift challenges, or even off-road adventures. The game offers extensive options to fine-tune its handling, adjust its stance, and apply unique visual modifications. This allows you to create a truly personalized and high-performing vehicle. Remember to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.